up, y'all? We finally got the Yonaka exhaust here ready to install. It's a 2.5-inch catback exhaust. Should deliver pretty good sound. So we're gonna go ahead and install this, and then we'll try and include some cooler before and afters for you guys at the end of the video. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this on right now.
No, they provide gaskets? Yeah.
And a shirt. I don't think it came with one.
Hey, we didn't get a hat.
So if you guys haven't seen the EP3 exhaust install yet, make sure you guys go check that out. He also has a Yonaka exhaust. Looks pretty dope. And it sounds pretty dope. So we got the gaskets and the bolts right there. Also came with stickers, 2 stickers, and a shirt and a keychain. And there's the exhaust. And we're gonna install this.
Hey, let me cop that one.
You want it?
I don't know. I'm gonna install my tag too.
Okay.
Dude, this is July, dude. So bad. This is a JDM tip. Make sure to just slice it. So if someone ever tries stealing it, they can't take it. Ain't no one robbing me my money.
That's dope.
Yep, shout out to you.
Alright guys, first step, we're gonna remove the muffler. Right behind the sway bar, we're gonna disconnect these two 14s. So it looks like there's 2 little hangers. We're gonna spray them with some WD-40 and try to get them out.
Yep.
So for the mid pipe, there's gonna be 1 more hanger at the end, and then 2 right here in the middle, and then we'll have to unscrew it from the cap in the back. So these bolts over here are pretty rusted, so we're gonna head over to Brian's. He has a torch to heat them up, and he also has a saw blade just in case. So this is the Integra with the muffler delete, or without a muffler. Sounds cool.
Not bad.
That's dope.
That's all you needed. You're good now.
Yeah. Alright, so we're here at Brian's. We're gonna go ahead and try to heat up those bolts, and we'll get the rest of the old exhaust out. Alright guys, turn night once more, but we just removed the old exhaust, the cap back. I need my fingerprints all over it.
Here's the midsection of the exhaust. Any fingerprints or dirt that we get on here, you want to wipe off before the first start because it'll stain on the exhaust.
The resonator goes right here. This curve goes towards the back of the car.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Oh.
Why?
Could you or no?
I don't know. I don't know what the camera saw.
Dude, I can't believe how tiny this is, though. Crazy.
This exhaust kit comes with the gaskets. Don't forget to install these. You'll have exhaust leaks if you don't.
So we're gonna use the old nuts that were on the cap before. They're 13s.
I thought they were 14s, but they were 13s and they were just really swollen because of the rust. All right, so we have the rear section that connects to the muffler, the resonator to the muffler. We have the 2 bolts in here and then the gasket, and slide this on. It's to your right like a clock. Yeah.
Dude, it looks sexy as fuck, you know.
Alright, it's ready to start. Nick, let's do an exhaust comparison right now.
Bro, it's gonna sound so bad. Watch.
That looks better than mine, honestly.
You think so?
Yeah, that.
Scheiße. Sheesh. Dude, that shit looks hella good.
Looks good.
It does. Dude, that sounds so good.
Hey!
Are you kidding?
Bruh, no way. Go, go.
It sounds like quiet tame. It's good.
Yeah. Alright y'all, so I've had about a week with the exhaust now. In that time I was able to get some clips for you guys. So yeah, EP3 MIG recommended me this exhaust, and it's kind of what I was looking for. You know, something not too loud, but just enough so that you could hear it. And yeah, after about a week, it sounds pretty good. I don't have any complaints. I'm recording off my phone, so the audio probably won't be the best. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy these few little clips I was able to put together for you guys.